In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the stargazing music in the SkyView app on your iPhone. If you enjoy exploring the night sky but prefer a quieter experience, or you simply want to save a bit of battery and focus on the visuals, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to silence the background music without affecting the rest of the app. We'll move slowly and clearly so you can follow along in real time. First, unlock your iPhone and open the SkyView app. Give it a moment to load the camera view. You should see the sky overlay with constellations and labels. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap that to open the app's toolbar. This is where SkyView keeps most of its controls and preferences. Once the toolbar slides out, look for the wrench icon. The wrench represents the settings area where you can customize how SkyView looks and sounds. Tap the wrench to enter the settings menu. Inside settings, scroll if needed and find the section labeled music and sound. Tap that to open more detailed audio options. This area controls the different sound elements in SkyView, including music and effects. It's helpful to know that music and sound effects are handled separately, so you can turn off the background soundtrack while keeping other useful sounds if you like. Under the Stargazing Music section, locate the music toggle. If the toggle is on, the background music will play during your session. To turn it off, simply tap the toggle so it switches to the off position. You should notice the music stop right away. This change only affects the in-app music and won't alter your iPhone's overall volume or silence other apps. If you don't see the menu or settings exactly where expected, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, as icons and labels can move slightly between updates. Also, double check that you're in the main SkyView screen when you start, since some overlays can hide the toolbar temporarily. That's all there is to it. You've turned off the stargazing music in SkyView, giving you a quieter environment for observing the stars. If you want the soundtrack back later, just revisit the same music and sound area and flip the music toggle on again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your peaceful stargazing session.